Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Ribimex RX6 cold water pressure washer is designed to meet the needs of domestic and semi-professional users. With its 2,500 watt induction motor, this pressure washer can deliver a maximum pressure of 180 bar and a flow rate of 460 liters per hour, ensuring effective removal of the most stubborn dirt from surfaces such as vehicles, garden equipment, facades, and terraces. The 3-axial piston pump ensures consistent performance and long operational life. The compact size makes the Ribimex RX6 easily portable and maneuverable, thanks also to the sturdy integrated wheels. A 550 milliliter detergent tank is included to facilitate the use of chemicals, further enhancing cleaning efficiency. The 8-meter high-pressure hose offers ample freedom of movement, while the adjustable nozzle allows for the adjustment of the water flow's force according to specific cleaning needs. Designed to operate with water temperatures up to 50 degrees Celsius, this pressure washer combines power and versatility for optimal cleaning results in any context. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.